Discover how to streamline your FDA regulatory submissions over secure and efficient AS2 channels. With support for large files, enhanced progress tracking, and complete control of your pharmaceutical data. The FDA Electronic Submissions Gateway is a secure portal that allows the electronic submission of regulatory information to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. It facilitates the submission of various types of regulatory information, including new drug applications, abbreviated new drug applications, biologics license applications, investigational new drug applications, and other submissions required by the FDA. The FDA ESG system streamlines the submission process, reducing paperwork and the administrative burden for both the industry and the FDA. It provides a secure and standardized method for regulated industries to submit electronic regulatory information to the FDA, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. Regulatory information is the essential data and documentation that health authorities like the FDA in the US or the EMA in Europe need to review and approve medical products and practices. It plays a critical role in the regulatory approval process as regulatory agencies use this data to assess the benefits and risks of products and make informed decisions regarding their approval, marketing, and post-market surveillance. Compliance with regulatory requirements for submitting accurate, complete, and timely regulatory information is essential for obtaining and maintaining regulatory approval for products. So how do you submit to the FDA? The FDA offers 3 main electronic submission methods. The Unified Submission Portal, a modern web portal designed for low-volume submitters. USP allows users to log in upon creating an account, digitally sign and submit, and view agency responses through a simple web interface. They also have a system-to-system connection to exchange submissions with the FDA. AS2 requires a gateway software implementation on the submitter's end. API, a modern RESTful API over HTTPS designed to automate submissions to ESG NextGen featuring support for large files. Each one is designed to handle different types of submissions securely and efficiently. In fact, the FDA receives thousands of submissions every single day through these channels. Need help streamlining your FDA submissions? We've got you covered. AS2 Gateway is an AS2-based regulatory submissions platform that makes it easy to submit regulatory data securely and in full compliance with FDA requirements. With seamless integration into your existing systems, automated message tracking, and detailed audit logs, you can ensure every submission is smooth, efficient, and fully traceable. Come take a look at how it works in action. Let's begin with the FDA submission feature. This view allows users to easily transmit files to their FDA partner. Begin by selecting the appropriate routing center for your submission. Choose the corresponding submission type based on the selected routing center. Select the station and the intended FDA partner. Next, upload your file directly from your drive. The system will automatically convert it into a tar.gz format for submission. The application ID and sequence number are auto-calculated based on the file path of your submission. In the Submissions List view, you can easily monitor the status of each submission and track acknowledgements, also known as ACKs, received from the FDA. Need to find something specific? Use the filters to search by submission status, or look up details using the file name, subject, application ID, sequence number, or AS2 message ID. Now, let's take a look at the EMA submission feature. Just like with FDA submissions, the AS2 Gateway makes it easy to transmit files to your EMA partner. For EMA submissions, the routing center and submission type are pre-configured with default settings, so there's no need to select them manually. Simply choose your station and EMA partner, then upload your file from the drive. The system will automatically convert it into a zip file and name it using the following format: Station Identifier plus Partner Identifier plus Tracking ID.zip. Enter the tracking ID to complete the submission. Just like FDA submissions, you can track the status of EMA submissions and view ACKs in the Submissions List view. Use filters to search by submission status or search using the file name, subject, tracking number, or AS2 message ID. Ready to simplify your FDA submissions? Sign up today for a 30-day free trial or request a personalized demo. We're here to listen and support your FDA submission needs. AS2 Gateway. Your own AS2 server. Anywhere you like.